Hi guys, in today's video we are going to teach you what to do if someone grabs you from behind and applies a master lock. We will show you how to defend yourself in this situation, and here you will need to use the right timing and strategy to create an opportunity to escape. So let's start the technique. When the attacker grabs you from the behind, stay calm, bend your body down and push back. Step your right leg inside his leg. As they move quickly, place your right leg behind his leg like this, as you can see in the video. Now use your hips and shoulder to break his balance and take him down. This creates a chance to escape safely. Guys, now I'll show you this technique fast motion, how it works or not. Yes. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comment box. If any step was difficult to understand, tell us which part and we will make a simple explanation video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss our next self defense. Thank you for watching.